paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Why don't we make a pencil holder today? Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require an A4 size paper. Let's fold the A4 size paper into 2 equal parts. And after that, let's fold it one more time. Now, let's take this corner and get it into a triangle. And let's repeat it one more time on the other side. Make sure both your triangles are touching the line in the center. Now, why don't we do the same thing from the other side as well? Let's do it on both the sides. This looks great. Now, it's time to fold it from the left hand side and right hand side. Yes, we will fold it inwards and then open it once again. Now, let's take this from top to bottom. Alright, now why don't we fold this corner? And this corner as well. Yes, we are going to fold it inwards. Once we are done with all the folding, we will pinch it and try making it into a box. And after that, why don't we insert this part inside right here? And let's repeat the same step on the other side. And look, the box is ready without any cutting and sticking. Now, why don't we take another piece of paper which is white in color and start making our design? Well, we are going to make a unicorn. So why don't we start with its cute little ears? And we got 2 ears for our unicorn. Now, it's time for us to color it. Let's take a pink sketch pen and start coloring. This looks great. Why don't we repeat it one more time? And we are done. Let's try sticking it right here. Looks perfect. Now, why don't we make this design right here and then cut it? Can you tell me what this is? Yes, this is the unicorn's horn. Let's cut it carefully on top of the sketch pen mark and stick it. Now it's time for us to take our glue stick, put some glue on top and then stick it right here. And look, this looks great. After that, it's time for us to make the crown. Let's make zigzag lines and cute little flowers inside. And now it's time for us to sketch it with beautiful colors. Yes, You can take your sketch pen or pencil colors as well. Once you're done coloring it, you can sketch the entire thing. And then cut it. This looks great. Now, why don't we stick it right here? Well, the unicorn head is ready. Now it's time for us to make the beautiful eyes. And why don't we make pink little cheeks for our unicorn? And after that, let's sketch our drawing. Done with this. Why don't we put our pencils and sketch pen inside? Marvelous! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.